Did you know that 90% of content creators make less than $1,000 a year? Yeah, it's pretty shocking. But what if I told you there's an easier way to turn your passion into profit? Stick around, because I'm about to share some game-changing strategies that could help you make money from your content. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of content monetization. Whether you're a YouTuber, a blogger, or an aspiring influencer, making money from your content is more accessible than ever before. So, if you've been struggling to turn your creative efforts into cash, you're in the right place. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Many content creators face some pretty tough challenges when it comes to monetizing their work. First off, there's the overwhelming competition. With millions of creators out there, it can be tough to stand out and get noticed. Then, there's the issue of navigating different monetization options. Do you go for ads, sponsorships, or maybe even merch? And let's not forget the dreaded algorithm changes that can drastically affect your reach and income. It's stressful, and it can feel like a full-time job just trying to get paid for your passion. So what can you do about it? Well, let's explore some strategies that can actually help you monetize your content effectively. First, consider diversifying your income streams. Instead of relying solely on ad revenue, think about affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting products you love. Platforms like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale can get you started. Another option is Patreon, where your fans can support you directly in exchange for exclusive content. Plus, don't forget about creating online courses or ebooks. If you have knowledge to share, there's a market out there just waiting for it. And remember to engage with your audience. Building a loyal community can lead to more opportunities for collaboration and sponsorships. Now here's the moment you've been waiting for. The most effective method for generating income from your content is, drumroll please, building a personal brand. Successful creators like Gary Vaynerchuk and Emma Chamberlain have shown us that when you establish a strong personal brand, you not only attract followers, but also endless monetization opportunities. It's about being authentic and relatable. Share your journey, connect with your audience, and the revenue will follow. Look at the success stories of creators who've leveraged their influence to launch product lines or secure major sponsorships. This could be you. To wrap things up, remember that monetizing your content doesn't have to be a daunting task. By diversifying your income streams, engaging with your audience, and building a strong personal brand, you can turn your content into a source of income. It's all about staying persistent and exploring new opportunities. Now, I want to hear from you. Share your experiences with content monetization in the comments below. Have you found success with any particular strategy? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other content creation strategies to help you thrive in this crazy digital world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.